He is the very first player ever from Macedonia, and this is Pyroantic.
It's been a long time. Been a long time coming. It's life or death with me now. But you know, there's no turning back now. This is what makes me. This is what I am.
Feel me?
You can hate me now,
QB,
but I won't stop now.
real niggas,
Cause I can't stop now.
brave hearts.
You can hate me now,
Come on.
but I won't stop now. Cause I can't stop now. You can hate me now. You can hate me now.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Don't hate me. Hate the money I see, clothes that I buy, ice that I wear, flows that I try. Close your eyes, picture me rolling, sixes, money folding, bitches, honeys that swollen, the richest, knots get in ya. Most critically acclaimed Pulitzer Prize winner, best storyteller, thug narrator, my style's greater, model data, big threat to a lot of you haters, commentators, ringside, in my paper, almost a decade, quite impressive. Most of the bitches
the
in the
rookie
S's,
from
big rap shit
Macedonia.
that I stand for, expanding more to the big screen, Bill Gates dreams, but it seems you'd rather see me in jail with state dreams. Want me off the scene fast, but good things last.
Antic off the pump fake. Antic on the offensive board. And the foul.
Still wanna hate? Be my guest. I suggest.
Money is power, motherfucker. I got millions of dollars on salary.
Do it now.
You can hate me now,
I won't stop.
but I won't stop now.
Can't stop.
Cause I can't stop now.
You
Now.
can hate me.
You can hate me now.
Do
I
it
hate you
now.
too.
Antic for three. Wow. How about that? The big fella
Come on.
knocking in the tray.
Now.
You can hate me.
Do it now.
You can hate me now.
Do it now. I told you, do it now.
Let's go.
You wanna hate me, then hate me. What can I do but keep getting money? Funny, I was just like you. I had to hustle hard, never give up until I made it. Now y'all saying that's a clever nigga, nothing to play with. Hate on me, I blew, but I'm the same OG. People warn me, when you on top, there's envy. Took my niggas out the hood, but you doubt on us. Saying we left the hood, but can't get it out of us. My bad, should I step on my shoes, give them to you? Here's my cars in my house, you can live in that too. Criticize when I flow for the street. Hate my dress code, Gucci this, Fendi that. What you expect?
Antic to get it in. Hawks looking to win it on this play. There's the lob. Horford's got it. Puts it up. Got it! And the Hawks win! Al Horford wins it in overtime.
What did I tell you? A lob play. They didn't make any adjustment defensively, the Wizards, and Al Horford made them pay.
I hate you too.
But I won't stop now.
You can hate me now.
Cause I can't stop now.
That is a great pass. That's a great pass.
You can hate me